Hello guys. I'm gonna bring a recording, and every time that I start one of those videos, I'm gonna just press it. And it's gonna say, "Hello guys, how are you doing?" I just can keep moving with the problems. Okay, same of the same old thing. And I almost cursed, by the way. So this is meter divided by milliseconds. So meter divided by millisecond, 10 to the negative 3 seconds. Remember, no units at the bottom. That's a big no-no. Pass this to the top. 10 to the third meter divided by second. And 10 to the third meter is kilometers per second. Done. Look how easy this is. You see this easy now? It's because you have been practicing. That's the only way to do. Practice, understand it, learn it. And that will be it basically. Okay, next. Micro. Oh, what? My word. Oh, this would be heresy. Heresy. This is a big sin. How are you going to combine prefixes? That's no way to go. So let's unscramble and let's correct this thing here and make them pay atonement for what they have done. Micro. What is micro? 10 to the negative 6. What in this word is microkilometer? Nothing. Kilo. 10 to the third. Meter is the only one that can stay there. So 10 to the negative 6, 10 to the third, that means 10 to the negative 3 meters, that means millimeters. There you go. I mean, it's not easier to say millimeter than microkilometer. I don't know who came up with that thing, but this is really, really, really wrong. Maybe they got it in the dark web or something. I really don't know what they did. Okay, next one. Kilosecond per milligram. Okay, kilo, 10 to the third, second. Milli, 10 to the negative 3, gram. This passes to the top. What is this in the top? This is 10 to the 6, 10 to the 6 second. Am I doing it correctly? Yeah, this is milligram, right? Yeah, 10 to the 6 second. So that's basically 10 to the 6 second per gram. Now, you could finish this problem by saying mega second per gram, and that could be an answer. But in the same way that prefixes are not accepted in the denominator, kilogram is well seen in the denominator. So let's convert this into kilograms here. So that will be basically 10 to the 6 second, which is this one, and a gram will be 10 to the negative 3 kilograms, or 0.0001 grams. So 10 to the negative 3 kilogram. Now we are putting prefixes in the denominator. Anyway, this one passes to the top. That will be 10 to the 9 second divided by kilogram. And 10 to the 9 second is gigasecond. So that will be gigasecond per kilogram. Now this is accepted and is better seen, by the way, than this one. I don't know why they don't unify the rules and they say basically no prefixes in the denominator. Of course, kilogram is the root, the base unit for the SI system. It's not gram, which is also an exception, and I don't know why it's done that exception, but it is what it is. So that will be the most accepted and appropriate way of expressing those units. And last but not least, kilometer. Okay, kilometer. What is a kilo? 10 to the third meters. Multiply by micrometer, micronewton. What is micronewton? 10 to the negative 6 Newton. 10 to the 6, negative 6, 10 to the third. That would be 10 to the negative 3 meter Newton. Now, this is another curious thing because I could say that this is millimeter Newton, right? Because it's millimeter Newton. But I could say also that is meter millinewton, and both of them will be correct. However, this is not well seen. This is the way you should express it. Why? For some reason, when you have forces and you have distances, the best way or the best looking way for this is applying the prefixes to the distances and not to the forces. Exceptions, 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 rules, rules, rules. See you next time.